These are my top 5 Home Assistant integrations.
These have completely changed how Home Assistant works for me. From having AI build all my automations to having local, smarter cameras, these to me are what make Home Assistant worth it. First up is HACS, and honestly, this should come pre-installed on Home Assistant. This gives you access to hundreds of community-built integrations, themes, and custom cards. For example, instead of having a basic dashboard, you can have something that's clean and beautiful and usable. If you're an Apple fan, there's even a dashboard integration that'll make Home Assistant look like Apple Home. One small tip is don't install everything. Try just install stuff you'll actually use and maybe do a little bit of research beforehand. Next is probably the biggest upgrade I've made recently. Connecting Home Assistant to Claude using the MPC has been a real game changer. Before installing Claude, I was never able to get my washing machine vibration sensor automation to work. After spending a little bit of time and a little bit of back and forth with Claude, it created 2 new automations that actually work.
The washing machine has finished.
That's just one of the many use cases that I have for it. I often find myself asking Claude questions about the system. It even looks through the logs and repairs automations and makes recommendations. It's really cool. For cameras in Home Assistant, Frigate is probably the best choice out there. Frigate allows you to stream all your cameras locally. This means you're not locked in with a particular type of provider, and you don't have to stream your live cameras to the cloud. This also allows you to use a local AI to detect things like cats, cars, or people. Normally a lot of the cloud providers only allow certain types of detection, but with Frigate you've got an amazing list of things that you can choose. It does need decent hardware to run, but I have it running on a Raspberry Pi 5 with a Coral USB, and honestly its performance has been pretty solid. So if you have cameras and Home Assistant, I highly recommend using Frigate. Next is ESPHome. I feel like I've only scratched the surface of ESPHome, but even with that, the stuff it's allowed me to do is pretty amazing. I've created a Bluetooth proxy, a Wi-Fi sensor, an Office panel, and even Home Assistant voice. This Office panel cost me €20 on AliExpress and allows me to control my office. It's pretty cool. This was super easy to set up and allows me to control things like my lights, my charger, and just random stuff around my office that I want to be able to turn on or off. And none of this would be possible without ESPHome. If you're interested in electronics, this allows you to build your own smart devices like this motion sensor here. And of course, if you want to try out new things like the Home Assistant voice preview, you will need ESPHome installed.
Hey Jarvis, turn off the office light.
Turned off the light.
And last on the list is presence simulation. With this integration, you no longer need to manually make it look like someone's at home. This automation looks through your history and replays the lights from previous days. So rather than setting up automations or timers, this will replay actual events that happened. This integration is really helpful and honestly really easy to set up too. I previously recorded a video on this which I'll leave in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found this information useful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks, bye.